In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make live currency conversion in Excel. We'll use Excel's built-in currency data type to pull a live exchange rate directly into your sheet, so you can base calculations on current market data without manual updates. To start, click the cell that will hold your currency information. This cell should already contain a recognizable currency pair, such as USD/EUR, GBP/JPY, or similar. Using standard three-letter ISO codes with a / helps Excel identify exactly what you want. If you're not seeing results later, double-check that the pair is spelled correctly and in the right order. Next, head up to the ribbon and click the Data tab. This tab is where Excel connects your workbook to external sources and provides tools for refreshing and shaping data. Make sure you have an active internet connection, since the live rate comes in through online services linked to your Microsoft account. With the cell still selected, click Currency in the Data Types group. When you do, Excel converts that cell into a linked data type. You'll notice a small icon appear in or next to the cell, indicating it's now connected to real-time currency information. Give it a moment. Excel is matching your text to a verified source behind the scenes. If Excel needs clarification, you may see suggestions you can confirm, but in most cases, a properly formatted pair will link automatically. Once the cell is linked, click Insert Data. This option appears near the cell after it's recognized, and it opens a list of fields you can bring into your sheet. Think of it like a menu of attributes for your currency pair. You're not changing anything yet, you're just telling Excel which piece of information you want to display. From that list, click Price. Excel will place the current exchange rate for your selected currency pair into the adjacent cell. The result is a live value that updates periodically, so your conversions can stay in sync with the market. You can now reference this price in your formulas. For example, multiply it by an amount in another cell to convert from one currency to the other, without needing to retype rates. If you prefer a certain number of decimals or a different style, apply standard number formatting to that result cell. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Live data may have brief delays depending on your connection and service availability, and rates are for informational purposes. If the pair isn't recognized, check for typos or try reversing the order. That's it. You've added live currency conversion to Excel in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.